Hello and welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. Hope you've all had a good weekend. Back to the grind tomorrow. So I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to do this United States quarter. It's copper clad, it's a 1993 quarter. So let's get going. I've got to punch a hole in it first. Half-inch punch, it's going to be a narrow band. This is self-centering. So you all had a good weekend, eh? Hopefully. I was working, as usual. Back on the market. It was okay-ish, but the wind was bad again. I'd like to thank my newest subscribers for subscribing. Right, half-inch punch. Let's go over to Big Bertha and see what she's going to do for us. There you go. Oh, look at that lump of oil hanging off the end of that. Lovely, eh? You can't beat it. There you go. One day I'll get it sorted. I don't know what day, but maybe one day. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. And she eats coins for breakfast. I could hammer this through, but I live in an apartment and it's only fair, you know. I have good neighbours, they don't give me no shit, so why should I give them some? Right, let's go back to the table, see what we got. I'm practising with my new camera layout. I'm getting there slowly, very slowly. If you're new to the channel, or you've come here by accident and just popped in, wonder what it's all about. I make coin rings out of coins. If you like what you see, there's a little button down there. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. You can send me your own coins and I will turn them into rings. And I have a lot of I just had pizza. I couldn't be bothered cooking after I got home today. So I think we'll have this sunny side up. And this goes into a 17-degree folding die. Yeah, I like the zoom on that, it's quite good. And this is a quarter, so I should have to anneal this first. It'll probably go pear-shaped, no my luck. No, it's good. Okay. I watched some other guys doing these and they don't even anneal the quarters, but I think it's good too. So now I want to clean that up. So we go up to Sandy, the sandpaper. God. These names are getting out of control. You do this because you don't want any cracks or splits on this edge, otherwise oh look at that, there's a bit of pizza. I'll save that for later. That's a bit sad there, so let's I mean my fingers look quite good as a rule, but when you get close up they look like weird. I suppose I'm weird anyway, but there you go. That's a bit better. I like weird. Weird is good. So, where's my lighter? There it is. This is my fire starter, Bernie. This is called annealing. It just softens up the metal so you can work it a bit easier. Go to my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of rings in there. If you see one you like, I can adjust the size. They're in EU size, so I can adjust it up or down, whatever floats your boat. very shortly I'll be putting all the dates of the coins I've got available. Well, my girlfriend will be. I mean, she does all that stuff on the computer. I mean, I'm pretty sad when it comes to that sort of stuff, but... Right. Kitchen roll would be good, which I don't have much, but this bit would suffice. Let's go to spike. There you go, this spike is a ring stretcher. And he stretches your rings. So what'd you do last night? Did you go anywhere? Was you partying? I wasn't partying. I got home, I was shagged out. I watched a bit of telly and crashed out. You put the kitchen roll in between spike and the coin, and that protects the inside text of the coin, so you don't lose any of the detail. You go 1993 and blah blah blah. So what size we got? This isn't for anybody special, this is just going on my market stall, because I'm getting low on quarters. Okay, this is quite big. 67 EU, X and a half, and US 11 3/4, thereabouts. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom half of spike, and I think I can use this. Yes, I can. This is my reduction die, but you can also use them for reducing the coin as well, straightening the walls. A bit more silicone shape. I'm going to get rid of that. Get it nice and level. Yeah, if you want me to make you a custom ring, that's not a problem. Happy to make you one. You can also send me your own coins, which a few people are starting to do now. There you go. Them walls are nice and straight. That pizza's looking quite inviting. Barbecue pizza, it's quite good. I didn't make it, you know, frozen. But I got home today, I thought, no, I can't be cooking tonight. Not tonight. I'm not going to work tomorrow, so I'll cook something for the last few days. Yeah, this camera ain't too bad. We're getting there. Right. This is a deburring tool. So, this edge, you want to cut that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. And this is a deburring tool, and it's called Christy Burr. Pretty appropriate name, eh? If you've got any suggestions or comments or any chit chat, you can leave it under the video, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Another beautiful day in Finland today. The sun was, I mean, it's plus 25, 26. It was windy as hell, but not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday was crazy windy. I mean, on edge all the time, you're waiting for your tent to disappear, you know, even though you nail it down. Oh, there are cobblestones everywhere, but you put these nails in between the cobbles. But sometimes they work loose and people's tents just disappear. Either going to the sea or going to the car park. Quite a big lip on this one. Oh, made a quarter. coin ring for quite a while. I mean, most of my rings are 28 euros. That includes ALV, tax, all that shit. Postage to Europe is 10 euros. Outside of Europe is 14 euros. These make great gifts, or, you know, you got a special coin in your drawer at home that means something to you. Get it out, post it to me, and I'll turn it into a ring for you. Yeah, it's pretty sexy. There you go, that lip is now gone. It's disappeared. So we need a bit of steel wool. This is quad zero steel wool. And it just cleans it up where you've been ripping out the side. In Finland, we've got Colombo comes on a Sunday, like there's quite a few of them. I mean, I've seen them all 1,000 times, but I just love watching them again. God knows why. I know what's word for word practically what's coming, you know. But my girl, I should watch Colombo, darling. No, thank you. She's seen them a few times, but I mean, shit. I mean, I like them. Oh, by the way. This just cleans the fire scale off and, you know, brightens it up a bit. Right, let's get out Dave the Dremel and a bit of polish. And we'll polish the inside of the ring. I don't do the outsides. I prefer the setting look. So if you want them polished, not a problem. I'll happily polish it for you. This is the messy part. This is my favourite part. Anything messy I'm into. The messier the better. Oops, amazing. Usually, every time I do this, I'm going over there with it. You got any questions or something you want to know? Drop us a comment. I answer all my comments, or good or bad. You slag me down, no problem. I'll answer it in a nice way. Life's too short to be sad, man, I tell you. Right. That's pretty good. I mean, it looks like I just changed the oil in my car. Don't talk to me about cars, yeah. Citroen C3, absolute shite. Never again. Has anybody ever owned a Citroen C3? Drop us a line. Tell me what you thought. The electrics are crazy bad, you know. Right. This is what the inside looks like. If you'd like the outside to look like this, it's not a problem. I'd happily do it for you. You got all the text. It's so shiny, you just don't see a great deal. That's why I prefer the satin look. 1993. So let's whack in Kate Bush. See if she's going to behave herself tonight. She should do. She's looking a bit better. Right. Okay, Kate, do your stuff. I love this tool. It's very similar to like Quad Zero steel wool, but it's not. It doesn't scratch at all, it just gets all the crap off. And there you go, dudes and dudettes. 1 US quarter coin ring with a satin finish. $1/4. And it's from the United States of America. So there you go. If you're looking for a coin ring custom made, no problem, happy to do it for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, and how about sharing? I could do it some more. Thank you all so much. Hope you all had a great weekend and a safe weekend, and have a great week, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Toodaloo.